Breaking news. Court, internal conflict between Sisiku Ayuk Tabe's lawyers. The lawsuit in habeas corpus of the leaders of the self-proclaimed Republic of Ambazonia was tainted on Thursday with a controversy over the counsels authorized to represent them. The lawyers Francophone So and Andon Christopher Enve are the lawyers mandated by Sisiku Ayuk Tabe and his companions in misfortune to defend their interests in court. On Thursday, August 30, 2018, they were before the judge to defend their habeas corpus petition filed August 9 at the Mfoundi High Court. By this approach, these lawyers hoped that the body of the offense would be provided or that, failing to state the charges, the court ordered the immediate release of Sisiku Ayuk Tabe and his companions. The court rejected this request for questions of form. The above-mentioned formal questions concern the lack of a document in the defense file, including the affidavit. The subject revolts me. Francophone So and Andon Christopher Enve, who attribute the error to one of the lawyers of the collective led by Mr. Bernard Muna for the defense of the interests of the same detainees. We are the lawyers chosen by Sisiku and his companions. We are four: myself Andon Christopher Enve, editor's note, my colleague here me Francophone So, editor's note, who is based in Douala, me Padi Yong in Bamenda, and me Ajong Stanlisas in Limbe. We made 4 attempts to access our customers at said. We were barred the way. We were told that 3 lawyers were chosen. By who? You cannot choose the defense lawyers while you are in front. Since we do not have access to our clients, we initiated the habeas corpus, and to do so, we combined the 3 that were chosen by the government to defend the interests of our clients. One of the most important and most difficult pieces to have habeas corpus is the affidavit. We drafted it and handed it to one of the other 3 lawyers so that he could take it to the clients for signature. He went to enlist the case without this room, said Andon Christopher Enve Thursday at the end of the trial. He adds, this morning it was he who called us to tell us that the hearing is taking place. And we came to court without him touching us. We told him to go meet the prosecutor, he said no, I was there. And we went to see the prosecutor, who asked us to go see our colleague for the failure of the file. Since we call, he does not pick up. We asked for the reference to regularize the situation because the tribunal cannot ask for a peace when we are prevented from seeing our clients. And on that, we say, Madam Justice, you have broken the law. According to Claude Assira, a member of the trio of lawyers led by Bernard Muna, there is no question of talking about controversy around advice potentially chosen by the government. He explains that Baron Muna was approached by the wife of one of Nigeria's 47 Anglophone extradited leaders in January. She wanted him to defend the group. Bernard Muna, in turn, approached us to ask him to stand by him. I personally accepted as a member of the National Commission for Human Rights, and therefore of someone very interested in human rights. We started the actions and then the inmates chose their lawyers. We left them free to continue the work. We were called at times for a helping hand and we did it. I do not see where this case comes from, according to which we were chosen by the government, he told journalducameroon.com. The grievances of Sisiku Ayuk Tabe's lawyers do not stop there. They also denounce the fact that the trial was held in the absence of the detainees. These were not extracted from prison to be taken to the courthouse.